Catching fraud can feel like whack-a-mole. You get rid of one, but another pops up, then another. You're always one step behind. The worst culprits are repeat offenders that create hundreds of fake accounts. They overwhelm your fraud team. They lower your business revenue. And today's solutions just aren't cutting it. They're highly manual, ineffective, and resource-intensive. But what if you could easily stop the revolving door of fraudsters? Introducing Graph. Graph automatically connects the dots for you, so you can find high-risk accounts with the same PII like IP address or email. That way, you can block an entire fraud ring, not just one fraudulent account. First, identify linked accounts by searching a name, IP address, device fingerprint, or any identifying information. Even search by cluster size. Or dictate the degrees of connection, whether it's 2, 4, or more hops away. Run complex queries and return millions of results in less than 3 seconds. In fact, we've found 50% of fraudulent accounts are linked to other risky accounts. That's a lot of fraud rings. Next, act quickly to terminate the entire fraud ring. Add confirmed fraud signals to block lists in just one click. Be proactive instead of reactive by performing real-time user checks at onboarding or at high-risk moments that require re-verifications. Automate your learnings to reduce the time it takes to find and fight fraud. Build automated queries and workflows to block risky accounts linked to confirmed fraud. Bring custom data into Graph so you can analyze the data that matters most to your business. Immediately alert your team about fraud spikes via Slack or email. Trust us, your team will thank you for that. With fraud rings on the rise, you need a tool built to stop fraud in real time. Don't let resource constraints be the reason fraud slips through the cracks. With Graph, empower your team to conduct expert-level investigations easier, faster, and at scale. Start investigating immediately thanks to our configurable no-code query editor and easy implementation. Give your fraud team full control over how they run queries, update automated workflows, and analyze data. No engineering maintenance required. Investigate smarter with Graph. Shift from reactive to proactive. Get started with Graph today. Catch more fraud with less effort.